expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Spanish ebook before it's gone.
Buenas noches, buenos días, mucho gusto. What do these words mean? Stick around. In this quick lesson, you'll learn basic Spanish greetings that all beginners must know. But first, did you know that friends can greet each other differently in Spanish-speaking countries? For example, do you know the difference between Spain and Mexico? Keep watching for the answer at the end. Hola. Hello. Hola. Hola. In Mexico, we can also add a kiss on the cheek, a hug, or a handshake when greeting someone, so don't be too surprised if that happens. Jack greets Steve at a networking event. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Buenas noches. Good night. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. You can use good night as a greeting, but also as a way to say goodbye right before going to bed. Steve and Tom say good night after watching a movie. Buenas noches, me divertí mucho. Buenas noches, hasta mañana. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenos días. Buenos días. In the mornings, you can also say buen día and buenas tardes in the afternoon. Amelia greets her friends at the train station before heading out on a hiking trip. Buenos días a todos. Buenos días, qué gusto verte. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. There is also a short version of this greeting, un gusto, as well as un placer. Sonia greets a new student as they join the class for the first time. Por favor, pasa. Mucho gusto. Gracias, igualmente. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? We can use a number of variations of this same expression, like ¿Cómo te va? ¿Cómo te ha ido? Steve greets Tom at a party. Qué bueno verte aquí. ¿Cómo estás, Tom? Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú cómo estás? Adiós. Goodbye. Adiós. Adiós. Remember the expression un gusto? Sometimes you can also use it at the end of a conversation to let someone know you enjoyed meeting them or having a conversation with them. Jack says goodbye after meeting with Steve. Adiós, nos vemos pronto. Claro, cuídate. Let's review. You'll see the words in English and your job is to say the words in Spanish. Ready? Do you remember how to say hello? Hola. Hola. And how to say goodnight? Buenas noches. Buenas noches. How about good morning? Buenos días. Buenos días. Do you remember how to say nice to meet you? Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. And how to say how are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? And finally, do you remember how to say goodbye? Adiós. Adiós. Did you know that friends can greet each other differently in Spanish-speaking countries? For example, do you know the difference between Spain and Mexico? In Spain, people usually greet friends with 2 kisses, one on each cheek. But in Mexico, we usually give just one kiss. These customs show respect and friendliness in different ways. Even though Mexican and Spanish cultures are very similar, there are always small differences that are good to know. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to practice these new words and phrases, and see you next time!